sa Black Miners Bar sa Folsom. Hindi ko lang kung yun yung race o parang ano lang, basta ewan, hindi ko alam. Parang festival siya eh. Check natin kasi first time namin makakakita ng ganun dito sa Folsom. Daming tao ngayon dito, masaya dito. Eto na, nakita na kami ng Dragon Boat. I wonder kung may nasayaw din dito sa harapan ng Dragon Boat. Parang cheerleader ba yan? Dito na kami sa venue. Meron din silang mga ganun eh, formation na ganun. Dito tayo sa ano. Ito yata mga participant. Dito tayo dito. Dahil na rin tao nakakatuwa. Ayun, meron ng ano, may mag-umpisa na. Lapit tayo. Ayan na. Ayan na. Start na sila
And there they go, the first teams out to the finish, or excuse me, the starting line. Right now, the race is talking about to start in just about 5 minutes. You're going down the shore.
Kyle, where's your paddle? Why aren't you helping?
Kakunti yata yun. Nakakatuwa dito. Ito yung mga participants siguro.
Alright, that is the start.
Nag-warm up sila. Then meron sila dito mga ano ba tawag dyan? Cubicles, mga restroom booth.
Once again, we got Lakeside Legends
Si Mrs.
and Phoenix Rising. Our first race, who is going to be the champion in this race?
If the other boat isn't worth it.
Ayun o. Ayun o. Nakakatuwa dito dahil tao. Punta natin yung mga bibe. Kasi nakita ko ang daming bibe dito. Dahil tao.
Alright, we're going to begin race number 2. Race number 2 is MHF Crazy Critters, Trinity Paddlers, and Dragon Max. On deck is going to be Alameda Dragonflyers, the Rebellious Ones, and Snooks Candy Pirates. So race 3, we're going to have to line up as the second race is taken off from the docks.
Ito na sila.
Boat coming in the middle. Alright guys, you can start unloading. Let me get the first 2 rows out. First 2 rows. Use the paddles in the boat. Use the paddles in the boat. Paddles stay in the boat. Hey. Good, that's my lucky paddle. Only the first 2 rows. Okay, now slide it up. Once it gets out. No, that's not how it works because the first train is going slower. You're going to
forward and it's going to change. No! Every number, regardless, every
Y'all did good. Good shit, boy.
Ito na ata ang sunod na team.
Good shit.
I think the color's great. You can't really tell. But she was really well and that was great.
Date namin ni Mrs. to.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here with Daisy from Dragon Max. They're out of Berkeley, California. You guys are a club team, so your time doesn't really count against the other teams that are here because you guys are pretty awesome. So, what do you think about the conditions out here today, and how you feel about your time?
Practicing in the Berkeley Marina where
Marami, may hapon yan,
it can sometimes be choppy and have tide, so this is really perfect for us. This is great.
Awesome. Yeah, I guess you're right. The Bay Area is a lot more windy like this. All right, well, congratulations, you guys. We'll see what your time was and see if it compares to your other times in the Bay Area. All right.
Aray ko? So ayun, maganda, masaya dito. Kaso sobrang lamig lang sa umaga. Kaya hindi na namin tatapusin ng misis. At least nakakita kami ng parang 2 or 3 races. Nakaka-excite din. Tsaka ang daming tao, daming bata. Parang family day. Maganda rin yung lugar, malinis, organized. And then yun, may mga food trucks. Yan, masaya. Pero that's it for us. Uuwi na kami. Alright.